So she says, so when you're having these thoughts, do you say he is thinking of me, or are you talking to SP in your mind? So the beauty of manifesting and creating what you want is you create the rules in your reality. So when you want to manifest a specific person, you can talk directly to them in your mind, which is also known as inner conversations, or you can affirm that he is thinking about me, he is in love with me, etc. Or you can script in a journal, you can visualize. They are all doing the same thing. They are all consciously creating and manifesting what you desire. The goal for affirming, visualizing, etc. is all to get into the state of living from the end of what you desire. And since everybody is you pushed out and thought transmission is occurring, when you are thinking these thoughts of your specific person, whether it's inner conversations or affirming in your mind or journaling, they are getting reflected out to them, and then they will start thinking those thoughts as if they are their own thoughts, but really they are only reflecting your thoughts in your reality. So again, you get to decide what works best for you. You create the rules in your reality. I hope that this helped answer your question. Follow me for more tips.